A US-based digital media company was scaling GenAI across editorial, tagging, and audience engagement tools. Their goal? Faster production cycles, better personalization, lower manual overhead. OpenAI made the shortlist, and the sales team delivered a bundled flat rate offer. Sounds simple, right? Until we ran the numbers. That flat rate? It assumed full volume adoption across all departments from day one. It locked the company into 1.5 million in fixed costs before proving any ROI. No usage ramp, no outcome metrics, no rollback clauses. That's where redress compliance came in. We modeled actual usage rollout by team, quarter, and project. We identified high, mid, and low intensity GPT use cases. Then we renegotiated the deal. We replaced flat rate pricing with tiered usage-based bands, introduced ramp-up periods with milestone reviews, and built in automatic right-sizing provisions if usage didn't match projections. Outcome? That $1.5 million commitment cut in half. No overpaying for capacity they wouldn't use. No surprises, just control, precision, and financial sanity. If your Gen AI deal includes a flat fee for simplicity, hit pause. Redress Compliance will help you align AI pricing with real-world usage and protect your margins while you scale. Redresscompliance.com. Before you sign that flat rate AI contract, let us take a look.